Hi everyone, good morning. We're back in the class again. So today is our second meeting, right? Yeah, so does anyone still remember my name? Miss? Miss Nurul, good job. But honestly, I still don't remember your name, guys, like some of you. So can you introduce yourself? Just mention your name. Okay, hi Sela, nice to meet you again. Hi Jojo, I'm fine Jojo, how are you? Oh, thank you. Hi Anita, I'm good. What about you? Oh, perfect. So today we're going to talk about a new material because last meeting, yeah, we learned about pronouns, right? So today we are going to learn about wait a second. Okay, can anyone see my screen? Okay, so we're going to learn about used to, the past habits. Yes, yeah. Uh, so can anyone remember like a habit or activity that you did in your past or when you were kid, but you don't do it anymore right now. Yes. So what used to is? So used to is a habit or routine in the past that we did but no longer happen or we don't do it right now anymore or we stop doing it. So it's something like a habit when you were kids in the past, but right now you don't do it anymore. Yes. So this is the form of the used to. For the positive is a used to plus verb. For the negative, we put did not or didn't and use. Remember, we don't put the in use because we have did. Yes, perfect. Nice, Sela. And for interrogative, did you used to? And remember the question mark. So, for example, I used to play with my best friends. So I used to play with my best friends. Nice. I used to play with my best friends. Jojo, can you repeat after me? Very good. For the negative, I didn't used to play piano. Sela, can you repeat? Thank you. Nice. I didn't used to play piano. And for the interrogative, did you used to sleep early? Okay, repeat after me. Together, all of you. Did you used to sleep early? Very good, kids. Okay, now we have examples, so we can do it together. Yes, do you guys understand about the used to? For the negative, for the interrogative? Okay, good, perfect. So I, blah blah blah, live with my grandma. We have used to here, so we write, yes, alright. We use to. Nice. What about second one? Stella? Okay. Anyone? Yes. Anita? Remember we have didn't hear? It means use. Yes. We don't put D at the end of use. Perfect, Jojo. Thank you. So we just write like this, yeah. Use to have many friends. So Anita didn't used to have many friends. So probably Anita had, yeah, had only one friend. And third one, can anyone answer it? My father used to stay at the office. Nice. Perfect, kids. Okay, what about number four? I, okay, used to. Yes. Clear. Nice. I used to help my mom for preparing dinner. This one is, yes, interrogative. Did John, we still put used or perfect? Sela, use only, right? Yes. Did John use to mhm, play football? Nice. Perfect, kids. So I need more examples. Can anyone give me more examples? Uh-huh. Anita? Stella? Ah, Stella. Sorry. Okay. I used to I used to sleep with my mom. Nice. So right now, you already sleep alone. Perfect. Jojo. I used to I used to drink milk before sleep. Ooh, what about right now? Do you still drink milk before sleeping? Nice. Perfect, Jojo. Okay. I used to I used to go to the hospital. Were you sick at that time? Ah, your grandma. We're really sorry to hear that. Hmm, okay. And next. So there are three pictures, and I want you kids to make a sentence about, yeah, based on these pictures using used to. Can anyone want to answer? Raise your hand or give me emoticon. Yes, okay. Sheila, we start from you. I used to I used to ride bicycle with my mom. Nice. What about Jojo? I used to go to the park with my mom. Perfect. What about you? Yes. Uh-huh. Nice. What about number? Who wants to answer number two? I used to play music at school. What about Stella? I didn't used to. Okay. So what about right now? You you play music, right? Right, nice. And what about number three? I used to I used to play with my friends at the park. Perfect. Jojo wants to answer. I used to have I used to have many friends, but right now they're gone. I don't know. I only have one friend, right? How many friends do you have right now, Jojo? Two? Okay, but you used to have many friends. Nice. What about number four? I used to I used to cry when my mom left me alone. So sad. But right now, I'm happy when my mom leave me. Okay, nice, kid. So next, so this is a practice. Actually, if we still have time, yes, we can do it right now. But if you don't have time, you guys can't. Yes, as a homework. Happy. So this is the sentences and questions with used to. For example, he he do a lot of sports. And the answer, he used to do a lot of sports. Yes. Anyone want to answer number one? I mm-hmm, used to. I used to cry a lot in my childhood. I used to cry a lot in my childhood. Stella, your name is here. Stella, go to. Okay, Stella used to go to grandma's house. Okay, so this is the last three. These three questions. You will do it as a homework. Okay, so anyone want to ask some questions maybe? Or anyone need more explanation? Yes. I will send you the link for submit the yeah for submit the homework kids. Okay. So I think that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.